sodium, sugar, and sweat challenge. So this week I got something really special for you. I know you guys have been asking me to do a what I eat in a day type video. So that's what I got for you guys for week 6. Now, this is going to be really fun. Today is a busy day, but I want to show you guys some of the habits that I formed, how I kind of go about my day as a whole food plant-based person, and how you can adapt some of these behaviors too. So let's get ready to come with me on a busy day for what I eat in a day as a whole food plant-based fitness person. So you guys saw that I made my key lime water. I'm almost done. 32 ounces every morning. Start your day with hydrating yourself. I like to call it a little nourishment moment. As soon as you put your foot out the bed, nourish yourself. I think that might be your challenge this week. I think it might be your challenge for this week. All right, so make yourself some key lime water, nourish yourself, take your supplements, your vitamins, your herbs, whatever you got to take to make sure that you are healthy and that you're off to a good start. Today I do a workout every day, but today I have a dance class. So some of you guys know, follow me on Instagram, that I do dance. I do pole fitness dancing, which is a lot of fun. And you guys, it takes so much energy to do that workout that I normally fast till 12, but because it takes so much energy to actually do that kind of workout, I'm gonna eat. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my smoothie bowl on the go. It is kind of far, so it takes me an hour to get there. So I kind of make it and eat it in the car. So I'll get to show you guys all of that because I really want you guys to see like how you can make this a part of your lifestyle, being whole food plant-based. And we'll dab and dibble on the sugar and the sodium, low sodium, and a little bit high protein. Okay, so get ready with me. Hope you drink your water. Let's go. Got my smoothie bowl on the go. All right, let's get this day started. So I finished my pole class. It was fun. I'm drinking on my water, and I'm actually gonna I had pole class and I had a meeting that I took in my car. So I'm gonna take one of these protein bars that I like. Okay, it's about 200 calories, 15 grams of protein, no added sugars. I'm gonna eat one of these and I'm gonna get ready to go on my way back home so I can finish the rest of my meetings in my day. It's really good. I don't normally do this, but okay, so I'm gonna make some lentils for lunch. I am making this here, the lentils with some water. Now I'm going to measure out how much salt I'm going to use. Okay, so I'm gonna use a half of a teaspoon of the real salt. Okay, because you know when you cook beans, they're going to need salt. Okay, so I add that, and then I also add 2 bay leaves for more seasoning. Okay, just gonna let this cook. It shouldn't take too long. Let's keep on going. Okay, so you guys saw my day. You saw what I ate for breakfast, a snack, a lunch, a dinner. I'll be putting more vlogs coming shortly, okay? If you liked how this video was formatted, give it a thumbs up. Something you're missing, you got questions, put them below. I'll get to them as soon as possible. So now you've been waiting on what your week 6 challenge is. Drum roll, please. All right, so your nutrition challenge for week 6 is to create your nourishment cycle. Okay, your nourishment cycle starts with water. Okay, good spring water. 32 ounces, add some citrus, some key lime or lemon or orange, grapefruit, citrus to your water. And then you'll take your supplements. Okay, so that could be your black seed oil, your sea moss, your women's vitamin, your elderberry, whatever it is that you need that you take on a daily basis. That's going to be your nourishment cycle. And I want you to type in the comments below what you take, how you did. And I want you to send me pictures on Instagram that shows me your glass of water and your supplements that you take. Okay, it's your last chance to win. All right, so fall time is coming. Our immunity needs to be high. You guys know what's going on in the world right now. So if you don't have a nourishment system or cycle, now's a good time for you to develop that. Okay, and we're going to develop that habit. Get up, get your key lime juice, get your lime juice and your water, your black seed oil, your sea moss, your vitamin C, whatever it is, take it. Your fitness challenge for this week is going to be stretching and walking. Stretching and walking and flexing and stretching. Okay, that's what it's going to be. All right, again, fall's coming, the season's changing. Our mobility in our joints has to be right. Okay, mobility in our joints. So thank you guys for watching this week. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned next week for more fitness, food, plant-based lifestyle. Bye guys.